There are some people in Regina that are disappointed in the province's proposal to categorize illicit drug needles as street weapons. Sierra D'Souza Butts explains.
Regina's Queen City Wellness Pharmacy says it aims to create a safe place for those dealing with addictions.
Well, one of the things we work really hard to do is try to rebuild bridges between the community we service and the police.
However, with the government of Saskatchewan's proposal to label illicit drug needles as street weapons, Kosciuszko feels the change will further stigmatize vulnerable people.
I totally agree that nobody wants to see people, smoking drugs or injecting drugs on the street corners, but that's a sign of a bigger issue. It's a sign of the fact that we don't have enough housing, that we don't have enough social services, that people don't have safe places to be, and they're needing to use these substances to numb themselves.
Under the province's Safe Public Spaces Act, the amendment will give municipalities and First Nations the option to enforce the regulation of those who carry, transport, and store fentanyl, methamphetamine, and hypodermic needles in public. White Pony Lodge says the change to the act fails to provide support to those struggling with addiction.
I'm not sure how this opens up more beds, opens up more mental health spaces, brings professionals in to help people out of addictions. I see none of that in this amendment.
In a statement to CTV News, the Ministry of Justice said it believes these initiatives, along with more police officers and legislative amendments to address nuanced properties, will be effective at improving community safety.
We'll see what happens if they offer more supports.
The amendments are expected to pass in the legislature this spring and will come into effect this summer for communities to decide whether to opt in or not. Sierra D'Souza Butts, CTV News, Regina.